Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyó, Elly, and Pato in costumes for Halloween. At first I'm going to draw Pocoyó, drawing his eyes, his little nose, and his mouth like this, and then the shape of his head. He is wearing a Frankenstein costume. I draw his body, his arms, then I draw his legs, now let's draw Elly next to him, her nose and the shape of her head, her eyes. She has 2 big ears. I draw her arms, her legs. She is a mummy wrapped in gauze. Finally, let's draw Pato. I draw his big eyes like this, and a hat on his head. His beak. Now I draw his neck, his wings, and finally his 2 legs, who is wearing a Dracula costume. Now let's draw Halloween pumpkins. And some bats in the background. Ooh, scary! And the grassy ground. Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. At first, I'm going to color Pocoyó. I color his skin mint. Then I use 2 shades of aqua blue for his outfit. Gray. Now let's color Elly. I color her skin pink. And I leave her gauze white. Now let's color Pato. He is a yellow duck, so I use this yellow marker for his skin. I use orange for his beak and legs. For his Dracula costume, I use black, and red. I color the Halloween pumpkins orange, and brown. Then I use this green marker for the grass. Finally, I add some dark blue into the background. Really good! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.